Buckle up for safety, everybody buckle up. Wash your hands, I beg, our health's a fragile egg. Buckle up for safety, everybody buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. Keep holding on, it's been a crazy year, and it's still a bumpy ride. Those top dog fat cats in D.C. knocking us back each time we take a stride. They're just a bunch of old racist men, but dinosaurs do go extinct. They may be wreaking havoc now, but we can turn the tide at our precinct. We'll vote them out before they even blink. Too soon's not soon enough, that's what I think. Buckle up, buckle up, yeah, buckle up. Now we face a worldwide threat. Corona no longer just a beer. As we wait for the truth in a test, that orange guy keeps fueling our fear. His incompetence is bottomless. Every time he opens his mouth, he brings new meaning to the word ignorance. As we watch our country slowly slide south, let's drink a toast to those who have the clout. They'd rather see us die than help us out. Buckle up for safety, buckle up. Buckle up for safety, everybody buckle up. While the stock market falls, we learn new health protocols. Buckle up for safety, everybody buckle up. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. I don't know if you're like me. I don't care much if stocks go up or down. I care about all the hearts that hurt, and I know we'll make it through despite that clown. Put a mask on your face, stay 6 feet apart. Be kind to your peeps and strangers too. Community is the pulse in our hearts. It's the strength that will surely pull us through. And care providers, thanks for all you do. Shout out to grocery workers too. Now I bet you wish I'd say I'm through. So buckle up for safety.